In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable Google Drive link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to access Google Drive. Open up your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or anything else, and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're logged into your Google account, you should see all your files and folders neatly organized. Once you're in, the next step is to select the file or folder that you wish to share. Take a moment to locate the item. Maybe it's a document, a presentation, or even a whole folder. Once you find it, click on it to highlight it, or if you prefer, you can right-click directly on the file or folder. This gives you a quick access menu with options tailored to that specific item. Now let's move on to the sharing part. You'll want to open the Share menu. At the top of your Google Drive interface, you'll spot a Share icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. Alternatively, if you right-clicked on the file earlier, you can also select Share from the menu that pops up. This action will open a sharing dialog box with various options. Here, we need to modify the General Access settings. Look for a section labeled General Access. By default, it might be set to Restricted, meaning only specific people you share it with can view or edit the file. To make this more flexible, change it to Anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to access your file, which is perfect for sharing. Once you've made that change, it's time to set the permissions. You'll see 3 different access levels to choose from. The first option is Viewer, which allows people to view the file, but they won't be able to make any changes. If you want others to give feedback, you might choose Commenter. This lets them add comments but still restricts editing capabilities. Finally, if you want to give full control, choose Editor. This option allows others to make changes, download files, or even organize the folder. After selecting the appropriate access level, it's time to copy the link. Look for the button that says Copy Link, usually found in the dialog box. Clicking that will conveniently store the shareable URL in your clipboard, making it quick and easy for you to use. The last step is sharing the link. You can now paste it and send it through email, chat applications, or any other platform where you want to share it. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to drop that link anywhere you'd like. And that's it. You have successfully created a shareable Google Drive link. With this link, anyone who receives it can access your file or folder based on the permissions you've set. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy sharing!